And welcome back. In this Testmoz tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the results of the students who have taken the test. Now, if I come onto the Testmoz website, I'm not going to be able to find my quiz or my test. So I'm going to go over to my Excel file and copy the link of my test. I'm going to paste it in my browser and I'm going to press enter. This will open the test dashboard. And we have completed all the steps. Now we're going to go to the last step, that is view our results. Now, as you can see, these many number of students have taken the test. We can see different data points over here. One is the average score, the average time that the students have taken to complete, the number of responses. What we can also do is go into individual student responses by just clicking the name of the student. Here you can see what they have done correctly or incorrectly and add feedback for them. Okay, that's paid feature. But here there is one question that is still left to be graded, that is the essay question. So I see that my student has not given the correct response, so I'm going to just grade them 0. And I'm going to save changes. Similarly, you can see that over here the question 6 is pending and pending. So I'm going to go over to Rosie. And here I can see that my student has given me 3 points. And most of them are quite accurate. I'm going to give them 3 marks. And I'm going to save the changes. Similarly for the last one. Now I can see all my questions are graded and my average score has changed. Here you can also find out how difficult the students found which question or which questions were the easiest to answer. So you can see 100% score. You can also look at the time taken by each student to complete the test. There's a lot of data that you can see with just one click here. As you can see, the Testmoz is a really easy application to use, a very simple one, and your students will find it really engaging to use this. Thank you for watching these video tutorials. Please write to us if you have any other questions regarding this app. Thank you.